Hey guys, it's your boy Killer Kill 360 back with another video. And today I'm doing my first Chainsaw Man What If. And I really hope y'all guys enjoy. This video is gonna be a very good one, hopefully. And y'all guys let me know if you want a part 2. But yeah. The story of your OC, his name is Kiyoya. So sit back, get some popcorn or some snacks, and let's get into the video. So his parents and his father croaked, Well, they still owe me millions of dollars. Sir, is in the record that they had an offspring, a kid. It says so. Where can we find them? These exact coordinates. I see. They'll take me there right now. We'll have a talk with him. Oh man. Damn, you just sold my left nutsack. That was a cool 150,000. But man, shit sucks. Well, I needed to do that to survive for a few months. Right now, I'm not working, so maybe this can hold off. But damn, that sucks. Who the hell can that be? I don't have any visitors coming today. The hell? Who is it? No, nobody said anything. Well, I'm not gonna answer the door. Whatever. Let me go and play my PS5. Who the fuck is knocking at my door? Ah, shit, let me get up and go. Who the hell are you supposed to be? Oh, you must be Kiyoya. And who's speaking? Oh, your parents haven't told you about me? Ah, shit. It's him. Yeah, it's me. That's right. I'm here to collect my money. Where is it? Well, I don't have no money on me right now. Don't you fucking lie to me. Got a pretty nice place here. You got a new PS5, 70-inch TV. It looks like you just got paid. I can smell money in the air. Search his place and strip him of everything that he has. What the fuck is y'all think y'all doing? Shut up. I told you. Everything that you make is mine now. Your parents has millions in debt that they owe me. This is just a constellation prize. Shit. Fucking shitty parents. They had a gambling addiction and they went to the Aquaza to get money for them and never paid them back. Shit. You know, we could kill you and sell your organs, but no. Become a devil hunter. Get paid, and all the money that you make will go to me until your debt is up. Why would I do that? Come on, I'm not stupid here. The moment I start working for the devil organization, y'all would never let me go. Shut up! You do as I say or I'll kill you right now. Oh, look what we got here, boss. No, stay out of there. Oh, a safe, huh? Take it. No, that's my life savings. I won't have anything. That's the whole point. We're taking it. Thank you very much. It looks like there's a lot in here. I can shake it and tell. Damn. Well, we'll be on our way now. Shit. I just got robbed. Man, my whole house is empty. Only thing I have is the ceiling and the floor. Let me just go out for a walk and figure out my situation. Shit. Well, there goes that. Either become a devil hunter, or be a bum. I mean, I really don't have much of an option. How the hell do I even find this organization? The hell? What was that? Huh? The hell? Is that a puppy? No, I can't be a puppy. It's too big. But it has long ears and a long jawline. What kind of pup are you? Roof. Oh, you hurt. Let me see if I can help you out, buddy. Now that I look at you more, are you a devil? Rough! Get away! Get away! Fine. I'll make a deal with you. I'll let you drink my blood. But in return, you have to help me out taking down other devils. Is that a deal? Rough! That hurts. Damn. Time skip. Hey, Aggro. I think it's time for us to go on a hunt, don't you think? Rough. Let's get ready. So, what we got here? Ugh. It looks like a zombie devil. Well, let's go take it down. Rough. Let's do this. It's time to kill! Savage Slash! These zombies don't stand a chance against me. Who's more? I want more! Where's your leader? As we cut to appearing that's within the same area. Luciana, you ready? Yeah, I'm gonna get paid a lot. All these corpses are worth a lot of money. It's a frenzy. Who was causing all this ruckus and killing my zombies off? Who the hell are you? The name is Keoya. And I'm here to kill you, you zombie devil. No, stay away from me. Get away, get away. Tear him limb from limb, my minions. Tear me limb from limbs, yeah, right. I'm gonna kill all of y'all. As you see a flurry of slashes and blows. He's cutting through them effortlessly. What are you, monstrosity? Calling me a monstrosity. You should look at yourself. You're an abomination. Who the hell was that? It looks like somebody else is also attacking me, but he's already dead. We just got finished killing him. So, well, another devil hunter was here, but he couldn't finish the job. Well, that's none of my business. Prepare yourself, you damn zombie devil. I'm about to rip you in two. My claws are itching to tear you to shreds. Huh. Try if you might. But it's inevitable, you will never kill me. As you see, Kyoya leap 500 feet and goes barrel rolling straight into the zombie devil, slashing and tearing, biting flesh off and eating the flesh. No, you can't do this to me, it hurts. Yeah, it's gonna hurt, you dumbass. As you hear repeating, slashing, and cutting. What's that? I hear chainsaw. Ya sacks of shit! I'm gonna kill all of y'all! Huh? As Kyoya is standing on top of the zombie devil. Huh? So, I thought you was dead. The zombie said he just killed you. Huh. So I don't even know how I'm still alive. It's a miracle myself. I don't even believe it. But hey, I'm not gonna question it. Tell you what, we go half and half on these devils that's remaining. Is that a deal? I mean, I wasn't trying to share, but since you're alive, I guess it's the right thing to do. As Kyoya and Denji go back to back, as they begin to slaughter every zombie devil there, tearing them limb for limb, ripping them in pieces into shreds. As Kyoya and Denji are damn near tired after this. Oh man. As they begin to almost avert out of their transformations. As we hear people walk in, and we see them in black suits, but there's one very particular, and she stands out.
Huh. Your scent is rather peculiar. It's neither a human's nor a devil's. So then, this your handiwork?
Nah, wasn't this that pig squeak work? I also joined in too. Huh? That's interesting. I didn't even know his presence was there. And who you might be? Name's Kyoya. Huh. Both y'all are giving off the same scent. What are y'all? Uh, I'm a, well, now they can't be falling out on me. As Makima catches the both of us. I see. So did y'all do this?
Space, if you were. Just so we're clear, I'm a public safety devil hunter. I came to kill the zombie devil that was here. You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you let me keep you as a human being. For the record, my pets get delicious food.
I'm cool with that. It's better than being dead. That's a good boy. What about you? I agree. As Denji passes out. I'm surprised you're still on your feet. Yeah. Uh, uh, and who's this? Your little friend here. Oh, this is Aggro. He's my double contract. Aggro, you say? He's adorable. Thanks. Oh, my stomach is hurting. You hungry? Yeah. Well, let's head out. We haven't ate breakfast this morning as well. As Kiyoya Denji begin to walk towards the car, as Kiyoya and Denji sit in the back, as Kiyoya asks the very important question. Ma'am, what can we call you? Um, you could call me Maki. Miss Makima. Yes. Now, I have to say a few things. One, pets are not allowed to tell me no, or anybody in an organization. They get put down. Is that understood? Yeah, I understand. Good. Very well. We'll be at the food place in a few minutes. And from there, we can talk. Okay? Right. We cut into Miss Makima mind. As Miss Makima is sitting in the car, and she looks at Denji and Kiyoya. She's like, wow, two of the strongest devils is within my possession. Chainsaw Man, a man that can eat concepts and erased it from existence. And Wolf Boy, aka Fenrir, the wolf that brings Ragnarok. I can get control over them. Seizing the world as mine is pretty much like a cakewalk. As Miss Makima puts a smile on her face. As Kiyoya looks at her, he's wondering why she's smiling, but he just brushes it to the side. Ah, what do they got here? Ah, let's see. I'll take some number 7. Alright. What about you, Denji? I'll take the ramen, the pork ramen, the curry ramen, and beefs on the sticks. Let's collect the appetite. I'm surprised you're not as hungry as him. See, unlike this one, I'm not rude. I don't want to break your bank. Don't worry about it, says Maki. You sure? Yes. Get what you want. Get what you want to eat. Alright. I'll take the... I'll take some of those garlic wings that you got there. Is that all? Yeah. I'm good with number 7 and that. This Makima, begins to talk to us. And she's like, I rarely came across people like you. It's like the first for me, to be honest. I could sense the one you call Puchana. It's within your body. Yeah, it's my friend. He gave his life to keep me alive. Well, he's very much alive within your heart. As Denji is shocked. Is that so? Yeah. And you, your little friend Aggro, Fenrir. Is that so? Whoa, I didn't know you were so badass, Aggro. Rough. As Makima chuckles at that. Well, let's get you introduced to the Public Devil Hunter Society as we do a time skip.